live. Share screen. Uh, what am I supposed to share exactly? The class? Yeah. So, hopefully it will share the right thing. Have you guys seen what's there? What's on that Nini? Seen what's on that screenshot? The screenshot I've sent. Imagine those are just Nini. Those are just how can I call it? Those are just instructions for me kuingia trade. Then kuna instructions za let me open them. Kuna instructions za um, trading psychology regulator. Kuna za trade entry filters. I'll also get rid of that thing written prompt 1, prompt 2. Sitaki ipe mtu kazi mingi, nataka ikue the simplest thing ever. Like you just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Nataka ikue tu you just copy paste. It's direct to the. Oh God, I've done a mistake somewhere. Yeah, so you just copy paste and it gives you everything. Yep. Easy vitu I'll do them later. Let's go back to Nini. Yeah, so let me copy trade entry filters. And then I go to DeepSeek, copy. Alafu niambie inipe entries, then I see what's gonna happen. Now, uh, here you can also do this. There's this option. Yeah, my entry, imeniambia my entry will be based on structure, supply and demand. 2 hours chart shows minor high low near 33, 20, 33. I guess here inasema tuko na zone hapo 33, 20, 33, 30. I guess it's this candle. Yeah, it's this candle. Alafu, but no clear trend reversal or breakout. Okay. Supply and demand zone. Supply zone iko. No, I wasn't actually supposed to draw this. Imeniambia supply zone iko 33, 40, 33, 50. Where is 33, 40? It's actually giving me this here. Let me get rid of our old drawings. Nione kama I want just to use it alone. Kutumia tu sitaki maneno mob. So yeah, imeniambia that's 33, 40. Okay. Then demand zone is around 33.10. Okay, the demand is that candlestick. No, wait. The demand zone is lower. Actions lakini siwezi follow. 33 10, 3300. Let me see. It must be somewhere here. It's basing its analysis on a higher time frame. Haitaki jokes za lower time frame. So that demand zone is around there. I guess this one here is the basing candle. I'm not even sure. Yeah, so inasema hivyo. So let me color this a different way so that tutajua hizi ni za AI. Uh, can we use something like that? They were not our own, so that we see if you can trade using AI peke yake. Though I know kuna that thing ya trading using AI. So these are the two supply and demand zones imenipea na ikanipea reasons. So verdict: entry lacks a clear structural breakout of fresh demand supply imbalance. The current price is no trade zone. Okay. The higher time frame versus lower time frame. If higher time frame is bullish, e.g., holding above key moving average or trend line, then pull back. A pullback to 33.20, 33.10 could be a buying opportunity. So in case market here, we could get a buying opportunity. If higher time frame is bearish, then 33.40, 33.50 is a sell zone here. So higher time frame maybe ni 4 hours. But sasa already ilikuwa ishatuambia ina range, of which if you look at gold right now on higher time frame, this is pure ranging. Okay, na nimetumia 2 hours time frame right now. Inasema make sure you're aligning. Something I've realized, it's just pushing. You should align with a higher time frame. Okay, lower time frame. Currently on 2 hours inasema currently choppy, no strong directional bias. Remember hapo juu imetuambia uh, current price is no trade zone. So it will help you actually. Verdict: misaligned until higher time frame confirms. Need to check if higher time frame is an uptrend. Buy dips, downtrend, sell rallies. So in case we have a rally, ikikuja huku juu isell, ikitrimba huku chini we buy. Liquidity resting above or below entry. If long, liquidity rests above. Okay, liquidity ina rest above 33.40. Huku juu kuna liquidity. Stops of sellers shorts, a break could trigger a squeeze. Inasema we have stop losses around huku. Okay, if short, even if long, ukibuy just know it will to go huku juu 33.40. If short, liquidity rests below 33.10. So huku chini kuna liquidity, stop losses for buyers. A drop could trigger a sell off. Okay, so stop losses lazima zichukuliwe. Current price too close to resistance 33.40 here without a clear break, higher risk of fake out. So kunaweza kuwa na fake out hapo. Hizi score expect all that. Verdict: better liquidity below 33.10 and above 33.40. A short with stops above 33.40 may have cleaner arc na since ilitupia that lazima if you're selling from above here, must be above 33.40. So kitu kama hiyo. Risky reward. So long need this one. If you're selling, if you're buying from this zone down here. Let me add the opacity into 200 at least. This one is too nice. Now this is what the toolkit is telling us. Now, if you're buying, buy at least from 33.30 somewhere. Alafu 20 points risk. Okay, imetuambia that's a risk reward ratio of 1 RR. So if you bought here, if you buy here, you target here. That's if you're forcing a buy. Is the risk reward logical, not emotional? Verdict: short setup has better RR if higher time frame is bearish. Inasema we should actually look for this one, not the buy. The buy has no good risk reward. So inasema you sell at 33.40, stop loss 33.50. Hizo ni 10 points risk. Target 33.10. Hii acha nisongeshe hii kitu. Ishakataa, hii imekataa. Nimesema this one 33.40. There. Stop loss 33.50. Somewhere there. Risk reward ratio is 1 to ratio 3. Let me see. Yeah, 3 actually. Am I forcing this trade or executing my edge? Forcing the trade signs, no clear high time frame trend. Okay. Choppy price, no strong breakout or breakdown. Emotionally attached to a direction. What direction am I emotionally attached to? Right now, I'm attached to the buys. So if I'm attached to the buy, that means I'm okay. What I love about this ni inakwambia everything. Haufikiri? That's bad actually. Executing edge signs, waiting for higher time frame confirmation plus lower time frame breakout. E.g. inasema we wait for this, confirm we are bearish, then lower time frame to pay entry. Okay. Uh, Trading only when RR is above 1 to ratio 2, a clear liquidity target. So if it's not giving us something above 1 to ratio 2, above like sasa hiyo that's 1 to 3, risk reward, then don't. This trade feels forced. Wow. Unless you are scalping with tight stops, no ideal in choppy markets. Ouch. Ouch. Imeniambia na force. You have confirmed higher time frame buyers. You have to confirm. Wow. Final decision. Valid trade. This trade is valid only if higher time frame confirms. If we are selling from 33.40. Price break structure with volume, e.g., in 2 hours time frame, close above 33.40 or below. Okay, you need now for the buy. For the sell, lazima close above 33.40 ndio itupee nini. Risk reward ratio must be above 1 to ratio 2. Avoid if choppy, price action, not clear edge. Higher time frame is not aligning with lower time frame. Action, wait for a clear breakout or a retest of higher time frame level above. Okay, may insist above 33.40. Don't force trades in consolidation. The best trade is the one you take when the setup isn't perfect. Or the best trade is the one you don't take when the setup isn't perfect. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me send you screenshot. Let me send screenshot. From there, munipe feedback right now. Right now. Right now. Higher. Check the setup channel. Damn. This thing is good actually when you're not alone. I've been doing it, but sio sana, sababu nilikuwa na so naona kama kwa hii trade imeniambia I'm already forcing trades. Ah, Now, I've already seen me. What do you think? And I go check, then come back up in the can we sell now or we wait? That's up to you, by the way. Imeniambia I'm forcing trades. Wow, it just told me I'm forcing trade. But the sale was valid. 3340. Ilisema tuachane na buy. Wacha tutoe buy. So the sale was around 3340. Let me see. Yeah, the sale was valid. Ilisema you have to look at it. It's trying to sell actually. Ndio. So if you're selling, that's up to you. But you have not even given me the feedback I want. So until you give me the feedback I want, is when I'll give you more instruction. Ilisema I should be thinking of selling from 3340. Yeah. And right now, if you look at the market, is actually selling. Mbona naguzaguza hii kitu 33 is 30, nataka 3340 on the dot. Ni ngumu kuguza 3340. Ilisema lazima pia you check on the lower time frames. And as you can see, as we were just reading, that thing ndio inateremka. It's now at 33 something, 33, 37, 35. Wow, 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 just wow. Give me a feedback when you know, what do you think about the instructions I'm being given? What do you think? So, well, I love it though. I like it. Let's see if it's gonna hit this low here. Ilisema 3310. So my entry should be my exit should be around 3310. Higher. Now, kuna more instructions by the way. Those were entry filters. Now, kuna after entry filters, what do you have next? Let me see. Higher. After entry filters, we have trade psychology regulator. Trade psychology regulator. Now, in trade psychology regulator, inakupea prompts za to see what are you doing. Okay. Then we have post trade reflection. Now, I'm going to use I'm going to use the trade psychology regulator. Mind you, this thing is not yet complete. On a few things, it's not yet complete. There are a few pages missing, but the most basic and the most important ones are working. So copy, I go to DeepSeek. Where is my DeepSeek? You only need a single pair. You don't need a lot of pairs. Alafu niulize hizi maswali. Am I trading my plan or reacting emotionally? Am I chasing certainty or managing? I still take it. What emotion is heading? Is answering them, but you can still put it there since now this was writing them on paper. Hizo the trading psychology ni zako za kuandika chini. Answer them yourself. You can't answer them using ChatGPT. Like that, like you can't answer them using ChatGPT. It's not even logic. Remember these are psychological questions. So for psychological questions, don't ask ChatGPT. Jiulize wewe mwenyewe. Actually, it will help you in your trading psychology. The nini, we created this thing for to manage your psychology, because the strategy uko nayo and everything else. Check network and retry. So yeah, is the sell is the sell aligning with higher time frame? No, 2 hours time frame it's bullish. Though you can see the reaction. Ilisema we should only enter if price breaks above here. Now I've asked about the nimeuliza hizo maswali za trading psychology. Plan your strategy should be defined, e.g. breakout structure, supply and demand zone retest, exit, RR, current trade. If you plan to short 33.40 with uh okay, actually we should have sold. Wacha tuone kama tutasell tena. To short 33.40 with the risk reward of 1 to 3, this fits. Okay. But if you long at 33.30 inatuambia kama wewe unataka kuendelea kubuy, this is likely emotional. But if your plan wasn't predefined, you're reacting to price movement, not executing a strategy. Now it's still insisting 33.40 is a good trade. It's actually the sell is better than the buy. Am I chasing certainty or managing probability? Entering because you feel it will reverse break without evidence. Hiyo ni uongo. No higher time frame alignment, that's bad. Managing probability. Trading only when higher time frame and lower time frame align. Number one, liquidity is clearly defined. Stops above below key levels. RR is favorable above aiming. Insist on that shit. Verdict. This trade lacks high probability confluence. By the way, it's true. Higher time frame has the line and lower time frame. And there's no volume, but it's talking about this trade. If this was my last trade this week, will I still last trade forces you to evaluate if the setup is truly apply here. Is this the best chart pattern you've seen all week? No. Does it have clearer signal than the past trades? No. If hesitant, the trade isn't worth it. Only take A plus setups. Okay. So if I literally sell this after this was the touch, now this is coming for a retest. If I literally trade it, itakuwa nimeforce. Okay? Nitakuwa nimeforce. So imesema kuna moja inauliza should you take this trade? Yes, if your journal shows this setup has 60% win rate, higher time frame aligns, higher time frame is already not aligned. Inatuambia don't take the trade. If the trade rallies on hope, maybe it will bounce, don't take the trade. If there is no liquidity, don't take the trade. Action, wait for a cleaner setup. The market will always give you another opportunity. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Stick to your plan, not your impulses. Damn. I love how it's doing it. I wish there is a way I could share this name. It has a few icona before you take a trade, when you're taking a trade, and after you take a trade. And it actually gives you an exit model. Okay. It will give you an exit model. The last question is this. I'm assuming I've taken the 33.40 trade. Actually nangoja iguze hiyo hapa juu tena. Ikiguza mina alafu ianze kupeana bearish momentum, mina sell. Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen. If price comes here, this was the first touch. I'm willing to wait for it to give a retest. Already inataka kusell without even that doing the retest, but tulikuwa tushaambiwa 3340 is where you're selling from, and your SL should be 10 points above. So assuming that's there. Have you guys checked the Have you guys checked the screenshots I've sent on setup channel? Give me a thumbs up if you have done so. Okay. And now, mbona hamjanipea feedback? I wanted your feedback. This thing is not complete if you guys can't give me feedback. I really need your feedback so that I can continue improving it. Yeah, actually that's why I slept at 3 a.m. because I was 3340, not 3339, 3340. I was actually building it. I want your feedback. We're not going to do any other analysis. Come up with a feedback because I've literally spent a lot of time and resources on that. Yeah, so if you want to see, let me share the setup channel. Nini. I believe some of you are not maybe in the setup channel. Let me share the link so that you can go and see what I'm saying. Oh, Ishanipea the next. Ishanipea exit model. Okay, after the trade. It's not literally exit model, it's after the trade. What happens after the trade? I want to copy this link, share it here. Guys, kindly. Okay, zimekuja mbili, but it's literally one channel. I just want you guys to confirm if it's working. So, post trade review. Was the setup valid or forced? Clean higher time frame trend alignment, clean breakout of low time frame structure, high probability setup, supply and demand zone with liquidity targeting. That shows it was valid. Fourth setup, kama uliingia mid range, uliingia between 3330 and 3340 without breakout confirmation, then it was a first setup. No high time frame confluence, first setup. Entry due to FOMO or fear of missing a move, lost, forced setup. Verdict, likely forced unless her time frame clearly supported the direction and entry. Oh, sijaiambia actually I entered at 3340. I wish I told it. Did I break my rules? Why? Potential rule breaks. You took a trade without, uh, took a one to one risk reward trade. That's breaking rules. Traded during choppy market, breaking rules. Entered without higher time frame confirmation, breaking rules. Why? Ati because I was bored, overconfident, ama revenge trading. It has a lot of things. I never thought it was this good. I guess DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. Though my ChatGPT is actually, it's, should I call it the pro model? I guess I don't know how I can call my ChatGPT. My ChatGPT is not just an assistant. It gives me answers, raw answers. Wow. But I think DeepSeek looks good. I'm gonna try all of them. My ChatGPT I guess ni pia venye nimeitumia sana. So and sometimes do you know you guys you can break an AI? I actually break my ChatGPT. Yeah, I can break it. It is so hard, but I can. So enough with the AI toolkit thing. We shall see how that trade goes. But unaona ishaanza kuniambia venye nimelazimisha trade. DeepSeek is very good. Oh, I'm seeing. Oh, so you guys are sending me nini hapo. Hata kama mmekataa kushare hapa kwa call message. I guess ni juu nimetumia leo DeepSeek vizuri. Starting using it. Most of you mna downloading it to the app and start using blindly. There is an instruction. There is an instruction you're supposed to immediately download that app. There is an instruction you're supposed to give it. Then from there, everything else will follow. Okay. Now time to check. Let's do some analysis. Let's do some analysis. Wacha tuache hii trade ya go. We go to first bull. Let's just do some analysis. Hiyo trade tutakuja kuona. Mkumbuke ilituambia tuliforce trade kwa sababu haikuwa imealign na higher time frame. Actually it's insisting that trade was not aligning with higher time frame. I'm happy though, and I only have one copy. I don't know if you guys want it. I only have one copy. I only have one copy. Let me see. Hello, Brian. Hello, Emma. Hello, Esther. Hello, Linda. Hello, Mash. Hello, Mildred. Hello, Sally. Good morning. Sal. Okay. Sal, kindly mute your microphone. Hello, Sharon. Hello, Simon. Hello, Tabitha. Tabitha umetutupa. But well and good. So hope all of you are doing good. If you're together, give me a thumbs up. If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. If you're together and you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So as you've all seen, uh-huh. Uh, I'm trying to read this. Mbona inaninyima inakataa nisome? Ah, imekataa nisome. By the way, imekataa. Why can't I read this? Okay, let me try. Na kama my mouse is so nini. Okay, I have one. I recommend that you buy one. It's affordable, and if I was to be honest, if I came up with that, I think I'd change more. I'd charge more, but thanks, Steve. You're welcome. You're welcome. They don't know you're actually the first person to have it. Let me tell them. You're the first person to have it. Yeah, but we are gonna have a class on how to use it. It's kinda itasumbua watu wengine. We are going to have a class on how to use it. So let's do some small analysis. Then I feel like I need to rest kidogo. Yep. So what do we have on our goal? So good morning everyone and welcome from this side of coldness. Remember we are selling, eh? Tulikuwa gold yetu tulikuwa tuna sell, and as you can see here sellers ndo wako kidogo. Okay, imeanza kunipea kiburi. We still have a sell on gold. Wacha iendelee. So 57% buys and the rest are selling. Now Euro USD. Where is Euro USD? 45. I hate it. Jana Euro USD ilikuwa ina buy, ikarudi ikasell. So also today expect the same move. You buy, then you sell. Expect the same moves. Nothing new in the market. If you already have the toolkit, you can use the prompts uh, to look for setups. Yeah. So if you pay it, you get it in 24 hours. Again, yes, DJPY is 45 and 55. So I'm delivering a few today. GBP USD 62. This is 38. Mhm. GBP JPY 43%. Lala 43 and 57. USD card. Today I'm not spending a lot of time here. By the way, I need to rest. Tumechoka. If I could rest kidogo, then I wake up, continue building this thing. 43. It's literally not even halfway. With all that information you can get from it, it's not even halfway. But all glory belongs to God, because EJ we have 31%. Yesterday we had 25. So we're still buying EJ. We're still buying EJ. Eurocard, we're still buying also Eurocard because the same kama jana, I won't even touch it. GBP card. Oh, we had news on GBP. We had CPI on GBP by the way. Today is on Wednesday. Okay. Imekaa iko tu hapo. Like I don't know ijakuwa released ama ni message update. But we had stronger GBP. So that means GU is selling. Let's see. Where is GU? Yep, ndo hii. It is selling. Si sana but it is selling anyway. GBP ikiwa strong, USD should be buying. GBP USD should be buying. And yeah, it's buying. So GJ the same. GJ hope it's also imebuy alafu ikaanza kudrop. Because if we had stronger GBP, so this is because we have the numbers are strong, positive GBP. So positive GBP means it is very strong. So ile time tunaenda kwa currency strength tutapata ikiwa strong. Meanwhile, let's finish one thing at a time. Eurocard. Where is my Eurocard? 31. Hiyo nilisema siguzi. GBP card. Mtu ananiambia imekataa kununua. Umeenda ukapata imeisha. I had only one copy by today morning. Only one copy. Maybe now I'll release zingine next week. If it should be possible. USD 79%. Hey. Most of these things, do you know actually whatever you did yesterday, do the same today. Whatever you did yesterday, if you bought a certain pair with an intention of selling it and you did sell, stick to that plan. Whatever you did yesterday, do it today. Though kuna some zimebadilika on major pairs, but on some pairs like Euro JPY, Euro card, GBP card, USD CHF, they're still the same. So whatever you did yesterday, do it today. Difference inaweza kuwa tu in price where you entered something like that. No, this one is 50-50. I hate seeing 50-50. So this one is 52, the other one is 40. Yeah, is it 52? Yeah, the other one is 48. Don't struggle today. Whatever happened yesterday is what will going to be repeated today. And the DKD still the same. Though you may shoot, most people actually buying than selling. On the D card, let me see from my trading view what the card is doing. Told you. Although jana ilitugonga shift, here it is. Iligonga sell. Okay. Where are you calling me? We have not yet the analysis. I'll tell you. And Sal, if there's a problem, there's a problem somewhere. The way you're asking question, your first question was, can we sell now or we wait? Suffering from FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. FOMO is fear of missing out. We can handle that. It's very easy. I'll tell you when to buy, when to sell anyway. You see this ina behave as if ilitugonga, haikutugonga bana, ilienda venye inafaa. So today it's gonna repeat the same. It's going to repeat the same. Expect some bullish momentum, then you're okay. Yep. Let's finish what we're doing here. Uh, Chef, chef, chef DPY. CJ's 3. Wow. What's happening? If I was you, I could just go to this pair and look for buying. And still buying, though I buy sana, but I told you these are pairs that you just set a buy and hold forever. So even if you buy right now, haina loss. This thing like take your buy yake sasa ni inataka ukuwe na very big. Hii utumie lot size kadogo. It won't give you cash. Inatakanga very big lot size. Yeah. Risk reward ratio is imefika 3. No, it's 2. Wametuambia lazima tucheze na 3. So though haifanyi haraka. It takes a lot of time. Nataka ikuwe risk reward ratio of 4. Yeah. So it takes a lot of time actually. Now cut JPY. We have 35%. Oh, we change from 18% to 35. Okay. Check your notes kama imechange. I'm updating them. 65, 35 and 65. Yeah, it is updated. Check your notes, check your notes, check your notes. It is updated. Now, what do we do next? We go to currency strength. Told you GBP strong. It is. Gold is strong. So GBP USD is buying. Gold is buying. Euro USD is buying. Yeah, they're all saying buy, but that is short term. Medium term, gold is buying. You see, vimegongwa. It's just a short term buy. So for gold, short term is actually buying. Medium term, gold na nini ziko almost at the same point but a different in small points. Long term inakwanga buy. So we're looking for buys. So now this is what we do. We go to the okay, tutaenda kwa chart turekebishe and then tutauliza ChatGPT what's gonna happen. So gold buys, yeah, I still have my buys. Uh, there's a question. Someone's okay. Let me check. I remember that question. There was a question. Uh, okay. Someone asked me a question about this thing. Lower time frame, medium time, ni medium, short term, vitu kama hizo. Someone asked. Okay, tutaangalia. Let's first update this. So for gold, we're sticking to buys. Euro USD. Okay, currency strength inatuambia buys. Tutaenda kwa chart. Currency strength inasema buys, sentimentals inasema sell. Euro USD, short term is bullish. Medium term Euro USD is bearish. Long term Euro USD is bullish. So we stick to the buys also. Currency strength bado inabaki na buy. USD JPY short term. Oh, USD is weaker than JPY in short term. That means we are selling. Medium term we are buying. Long term it's definitely buying. Yeah, long term here we are buying. JPY has been weak for some time. GBP USD, GBP short term is stronger than USD. So short term we are buying, medium term we are selling, long term we are also should be selling. Yeah. So GBP USD, your buy tomorrow side is actually buying, then it atupia selling momentum. Okay, you buy to sell. Yesterday I'd written no, actually let me solve update up. Today we just want to sell GBP USD. And we actually gonna do analysis with AI on GBP USD also. Hi GJ, short term is a buy, medium term is a sell. I'm very sure. Oh, it's still a buy, but they're both weak. A buy, long term buys. Oh, okay. I think I'd written yesterday sell to buy, but today we're just buying GBP JPY. GBP JPY is ticking. Sell now. Sal, now we have come to your question. On sentimental, GBP JPY inatuambia buy, and also currency strength is telling us to buy. That's how I can answer your question. Will GBP JPY buy or sell? But remember, don't suffer from FOMO. You're suffering from FOMO. I've been there personally. I know how it feels. I really know. I actually suffer from it most times, especially when I'm trying something new. Okay. USD card, short term is a sell, medium term is a buy, long term is a sell. So USD card we stick to sell. Most of these things niko venye zilikuwa jana. Okay, I just repeat the same thing. Euro JPY short term is a buy, no, is a sell. Medium term, where is euro? Oh, medium term is a buy, long term is definitely a buy. Euro has been stronger than JPY for the longest. So we stick to the buys on Euro JPY. Just need to get where to buy. Euro card also, even without checking, I know. GBP card the same. GBP stronger than card, short term, medium term. Card stronger than GBP, that's a sell, long term. Card stronger than GBP. Oh, low card iko juu. So that's a sell. So our currency strength, we are selling to buy. Oh, kama jana. Sell to buy. So we are selling so that we get some buy entry, some good buy entry on card pairs. Even Eurocard you selling to buy. So wait for the dip, buy the dip, okay? USD CHF, short term is a sell, medium term is a buy, long term it's definitely a sell. Yeah. So you stick to the sells on USD CHF. Australian dollar versus US dollar. Short term is a relative buy. Medium term, relative sell. Long term, relative buy. It's not even giving good vibes. It's actually at 50-50 on currencies, on nini, on sentimental. So that on me hata si yuko huko. And the D card, short term is a sell, long term, medium term is still on a sell, then long term is still on a sell. Yes. So in the D card, look for selling entries. CHF JPY short term is definitely it. Oh, JPY may shoot is a buy. So these things inabadilika as time goes. So keep checking. CHF JPY is a sell right now on short term. Medium term, it definitely switches to buys. So what you do also on CHF JPY, look for buy entries. It's that simple. Cut JPY short term, it is selling. Long term, medium term, cut JPY is buying, and long term, I believe it's probably gonna be buys. Yeah. So cut JPY, chef JPY, look for buys, look for sales on the in the D card and USD card. Look for buys on Euro card and GBP card. Yep. I've updated it actually. I can also share. If you want to see these notes, share with me your email in my inbox. I can share with you those notes. We update them daily. DM me here. Kindly don't call this number during the day. Okay, I've missed. Can you edit? Forget about it. Let me write another one. Yeah, just DM me on WhatsApp. Send me your email. Alafu, I will add you to the notes. Right now, let me share it. Go on. You see what you're doing. So you can just take a screenshot. Today is BPI. Yeah, today is BPI. Why am I writing CPI? And today is date 16. Do you guys remember that thing we used to have on Fridays back in primary? Even it a BPI. What was it called? Really on Fridays morning after assembly, we used to have something. Ama nyinyi watu wa group of schools. Okay, many of you are from group of schools. Some of us are from schools in group. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, I'm sharing it pale kwa channel. The notes. Muone venye zinafanana. So that you send me your email. Inakutumia, nikiupdate inakuambia nimeupdate ASAP. Share with me your email. How do you light collaborator? Ah, wenye itatokea itokee. Yep, thank you. I've shared it pale kwa the setup channel. Everything is always pale kwa setup channel. Everything. Alafu mbona mtu anitumie setup ya nini ya EuroGBP? I hate EuroGBP with passion. It looks even weird. How do you even why do you want to torment me? Mbona unitumie setup ya EuroGBP? Who even trades EuroGBP? Watu wengine mnakuwaga na roho gani? Do you want me to suffer? Who even trades EuroGBP? Me, I can't even trade that pair. I can't, honestly. I can't. Tabitha, how do you even trade such pairs? That's a problem. Like, what are those? I hate them. I hate EuroGBP with passion. I hate EuroGBP with passion. For real, for real. I hate EuroGBP with passion. Like, what do you mean you trade? How do you even trade EuroGBP? Thank you for saying that. I once asked, unasema mm, thank God you're not the one who sent me the EuroGBP thing. Like, EuroGBP, really now? Ah, so check your DMs. I've been updating you. Chef JPY wants to come to this point here. Good entry to buy. Why that entry? This looks more of a demand zone. I can share with you this. Now, once we have done setups and I'm sharing them with you, just get the toolkit. In the toolkit, tutapata the prompts. Use the prompts to get the proper analysis. Like specifics, very much specific things. Yeah. Na siku hizi nyinyi watu ni wachoyo. You guys, you can't share the class with people. Like you can't share it in your, you can't forward what I'm posting in the setup channel to your status. Simkai. I like it juu huwa inaenda na setup yangu, si rahisi kufail. Hey, mimi nimekuachia hiyo mimi no. Hell, not me. What are you telling me? So jana mtu akanitumia hiyo setup and I was like, what are you trying to do? What are you really trying to do? Okay, PLC wanataka kuanua stima yao. But it's good if it's giving you money, well and good. So you can do your analysis. This is not a proper nini compared to this one here. You can see this move. Can you get rid of this? You can see this move. This is a proper here. This is a proper demand, and these upper should be called liquidity. This is a proper demand. So to agree, in case I get a chance to release more toolkits, go buy it, and then this is how you're going to use it. Tukishafanya hivi, tukisha, let me use this as liquidity, delete that and give me an info line here. So kindly take out this liquidity, though I know unajua imekuwa na problem, so this pair can decide not to pita hapo, but these are two entry points. You can use this one and this one. This is another place you can take buys from. So you take this photo. See, definitely I'll share it with you. Use the prompts pale kwa AI toolkit to get specifics. Itakuambia kama una force. Simoni inatuambia tuna force trades. Imetuambia tuna force gold. Like wow, that was so direct. Some of you ChatGPT yenyu ama your DeepSeek won't give you the same nini, the same how can I put it? It won't give you the same answers so direct. Itakubembeleza. Okay? Itakubembeleza. But for some of us, hey, haitunyamazishi bwana, inatupea msomo. Like mine can just tell me, like bro, hey, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, sometimes naweza iuliza swali na iniambie tu direct, you're tripping, you're failing us. So let's see what's gonna happen. We have a lot of liquidity here. You can see these wicks. Anytime I see wicks on a support or a resistance, that's simply liquidity for me. So I hope it takes them out, then we continue with a good buy. Though now this is not a major pair, it might not be able to do that. So mara mingi pairs like this just taps the liquidity and goes. Yeah. But on major pairs, liquidity have to be taken out before it goes. Okay. I like it, Juhu. Okay. So that was the CHF JPY. Cut JPY. What do you have on cut JPY? Good. Yeah, continue to collaborate on that thing. Our live didn't start. What's up? What happened to our live? Hey, Jango, the live is going on. What's up? What's up? It's not live again. I don't know why. Maybe nikimaliza kunini ita update. Ita update. But well and good. Well and good. I'm still adding. Okay, ni email imekuja, so check your email Tabitha within the next 45 seconds. Okay. Yeah. Check your email. Cut JPY we were looking to buy. No, tuliambiwa tuache kuforce. So I don't know why I have this here. So we are not supposed to be forcing. Looking to buy. Now where can we buy? Anytime. Wow, this thing is too far. This demand zone is too far. So if it's too far, we look for 50%. Na tumeambiwa don't force trades. Hiyo kitu haijatubembeleza by the way, kutuambia fiti. Mbona inaniuma? Yep. So that means we'll be waiting for it to come here, then we target the buy. That's what I'll be waiting for. Cause yo, this thing is too far. But let me draw it for the sake of drawing it. We have a demand zone somewhere here. Yeah, but what we are looking for is actually tulisema una follow the side of the longer arrow. See short, the longer. This is what I'm expecting. Price to come to this zone then buy. Tulisema we are following the side of the longer arrow. Now the problem is, Sal, send me that email kwa DM. Send me that email kwa DM kindly. Send me that email kwa DM please. Kwa DM itakuwa rahisi kuicopy paste. Send me that email. Mangapi? Oh, hii niko nayo. Let me add you right away, right now. The rate at which I'm investing my time in trying to make my trading very easy. Very soon nitawaambia niko na EA, mtasikia niko na bot inafungua trades. By the way, I used to have a bot inafungua trades, alafu nikapoteza. It's painful. Ilikuwa inanifungulia trades and close. Uh, if you're with any of you last year, tulikuwa tunaingia tunashindana from $20 to, was it 20? Yeah, $20 to 100 in a week. Alafu kuna time tulikuwa tumetarget making $5 a day, so tungeingia hivi session na nafungua bot yangu, so si everyone is trading, kila mtu anajitradia. Nafungua bot yangu alafu naiwacha hapo, within 10 minutes I'm done with my $10. Alafu by the time people are saying complete at I'm done, nilikuwa na maliza within 5 minutes of the game. I look for that thing. Ilikuwa mzuri ni venye sometimes ilikuwa mbaya cause you see these things ina work only for some time, and if it's not updated inakuwa mbaya, unaona. So that one wasn't being updated, and that was a very bad thing. I believe I have it somewhere in my cloud storage around somewhere. So yeah, I used to like it. Tulikuwa tunaingia hivi session venye tuko na session na nyinyi sasa, and as people are trading, tuna trade tu pamoja. Mi nafungua bot, I present my screen, inabuy ikisell, inabuy inasell, inafanya nini. Within a very short time I could be done. Yeah. Bitcoin ilikataa kukuja mahali tunataka ama ilikuja? Let me see. Haikufika. Ilifika ayayay. Ilifika kwa hii support again here. Ndio. Imeshindwa ku break that level. Okay. So my swing low, my latest swing ilikuwa hapa, my swing high ilikuwa oh. It's gone baby. That buy is gone. That buy on Bitcoin. It was supposed to be here and it's gone. If I could have seen it. I never drew this. It's gone. Ilikuwa jana by the way. Na jana ndo nilipeana hii setup. Na nikachora hii kitu. Kwani what was I doing? I shared this setup yesterday. Okay. Ikienda tumeambiwa don't force trades. This one tulisema tunangoja ipande tena juu anyway tushapata, we already know what to do is in the D card. We are just looking to sell. This was my swing high is there. My swing low is here. So I'd like to see you come to this point. Then we get a proper sell. We continue selling. We have this demand. This should be our target. This was a long term demand, and I believe that's. Alafu tena itufanye ile kitu. Risk reward yangu haija hit 3 but it's almost, you can see it's at 2.7. Hiyo SL ilikuwa kubwa, that's why inafaa ikuwe 3. Yeah, so risk reward ratio has just doubled to almost 6. So I'm not struggling. Actually, this I'll go to the AI and tell it to tell me about this trade. Yeah, I'll have to do that. Yeah, so the AI is still in beta version. Beta version inamaanisha that's the first version of it. So with time, I wanted it Kenjelifanya, I'm not releasing it earlier because I wanted it in a way that I can be updating it with time. Okay. Time. So it's a good thing now. I just send you the link. Download Notion, copy it from there. Iko pale. So so that's it. AUD USD, Australian dollar and USD, it's not giving me good vibes. Iko 50-50, though ina move too. Though as you can see, tangu jana imekuwa tu somewhere. We caught a buy, ikaenda, ikarudi ikaturana, ikarudi chini. Okay, that's why I keep on insisting on setting BE. So today give another buy. So what do you expect? Ifanye hizo vituko zake za buy alafu rudi anguke? Sure. I'm actually expecting it to fall down. Like, not to fall, to sell from somewhere. Maybe here. I'm actually waiting for something like that. I don't know why. I'm just waiting. I don't know why. That's what I'm waiting for. It has been, look at this. Imekuwa ikisell. So this buy was actually a risky one. So right now you should actually be looking for sells from such points like these ones. Yeah, you should be looking for sales from that point. But as you know, squaggy fan more Australian dollar sana. I don't know why. I'll try my best. Yeah. I'm expecting it to continue selling off. So whatever you do with that info is actually up to you. Yep. Uh, oh, hujapata ya leo? Mbona haijakuja? Let me confirm if you're still on the list. I believe you're still on the list. Where is your email? Okay, you're not on the list. Let me add. Email already exists. Mm, Mildred, confirm. Just confirm. Check. Just check your email. Yeah, it's here. I've seen it. Confirm. Oh, it is selling. Me, I'm not a fan. It'll play out as we expected. Look at this drop, then buy. Played out as expected. Very well. So today we're looking for sales. So expect, you can see this is the retracement. So today we're looking for sales. Let's see if it's gonna fall up to somewhere here around this. You see this indecision candle? Yeah. So make sure you get a sell entry around somewhere. And once you have your sell entry, target here first. Don't target too far, but make sure unacheza na BE. Your SL should be above these highs here. You see these highs? No risk, no Ferrari. No risk, no Ferrari. Whatever you do with that information, I don't know. So your SL should be above these highs. Remember, this is actually chasing. You should wait for market to, like, imetoka imerudi imeguza, you can inaweza kuja ifanye hivi, then continue selling. Inaweza, ndo maana the SL is so high kwa sababu we still have something here. Okay, but anyway, no risk, no Ferrari, and the rest. Received your notes, but you're among the number one collaborators here. Yes, you're here. I can see. Let me do myself a favor and add my other email and see if I'm going to receive an email also. Let me see. Yes, not shared. Imefunguka. Open keep. View not. Yeah, it's even updated on my side. So if your side it's not, well, I'm sorry. Check, check. Yeah, on my side it's updated. Mhm. Oh, I have a meeting at 11 a.m. with contact me via WhatsApp. Okay. Aha. Open WhatsApp. Hey guys, I have a meeting at 11. Okay. But it's an online meeting, so Thank you. That one said and done. We go back to the charts. GBP card. You're also looking for sales on GBP card. Yes, you're looking for sales. See what happened yesterday. I like it. And also right now, let me show you the like anguka nayo. Risk reward ratio is not risking and rewarding. Let us see what's happening. So in a sell, so risk reward ratio just target the low, but who even cares? Who even cares? I've started like nimeiweka hapa assuming you sell right now. Like uende kwa GBP card, you decide to sell. I'm losing my voice. Like if you go to GBP card, hey, if you go to GBP card and sell my social battery, not social battery, my morning battery nation. Mhm. Okay, someone just told me, ah, but forex trading is coming. Wow, mtu kama huyo anamwambia nini? Yeah, ananiambia but forex trading is coming. Okay, I'll just leave that on red because now ndasema like what should I even say? I don't know. I really don't know. It's up to you if it's just, oh wait, look at this. Oh nice. Let's clear everything here. Price never spent time here. This was a very nice supply zone. Though it's big, but let me see. This is Eurocard. Eurocard we are looking to buy. It's actually buy. Target this highs. Mm. We have a if you're buying again, wait for price to retest around this place here. Wait for price to give you an entry, then buy target here before getting such moves. And what other place is price most likely to reverse? This will be a TP1. If you get that buy, tulisema hata imetupea tu hadi hapo, imekataa hadi kusongesha. Tumesema Eurocard, we are looking for buys. If you get an entry for that buy is okay. If you miss it, wait for price. Actually, wait for price to come back down kidogo. So I have. Okay, yeah, we are buying. We were buying, alafu market ika retrace, so we are buying. So if you get a nice buy, you just buy. Yeah. Kwani what time frame was I using? Hii kitu inakaa funny. What time frame was I using again? I love tight. I love how tight it should be. It should be that tight. Like naongelelea tight here. Yeah, that one. Let me get rid of this first. We're waiting for a retest. Then Ipande. Yeah, I like it tight in that one. Let's see if it's gonna work out. Oh damn. Guys, me I'm done. I'm done. EJ we're also looking to buy. I'm so done. I'm so done. Forgive them, Father, for they don't know what they're doing. I'm going to share every setup right now. This is USD card. USD card. We're looking for sales. Yeah. Go baby. 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 I hate chasing. I'm not telling you to chase. Remember this place. This is what I want it. This is where I want it to come so that we can sell. Because right now, actually, let me get rid of this arrow. Right now, you can see these levels. Because yo, tell me Nazima, like literally Nazima. Oh, that's what I'm expecting. Let price retrace, then you continue selling. Let it break this zone. Let it break that zone. No, this pair is GBP JPY. GBP JPY wanna buy. Currency strength inatuambia buy. And also sentimentals, we have the lower side on the buyer side. So what do you guys think we should do? Mi nikiona tu sioni zone I use fib. That's what I do. Uh, yes, mwambie it's a scam. Actually naenda kumwambia. Hivyo ndo namwambia yes, it's a scam. Uh, Ndamwambia it's a scam. Unajua pia we don't need a lot of people trading. Tulisema ile ya fib huwa tuna change rangi to red. I'll tell him or her. I don't know nani. It's a number I haven't saved, but amekuwa akiniongelesha for quite some time. Nitamwambia yes, yes, it's a scam actually. Mm, no, 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 no. Yeah, nitamwambia yes, it's a scam because mi nitamwambia nyingine. So this buy played very well. I don't like DXY, though we have a demand zone here, and yeah, you can see in a line in a lot of time frame. Nimetoka 45 minutes mpaka 4 hours. So let me just give this one a benefit of doubt. I really need to go off the charts, go have a rest, come back at 11. I have a very important meeting that will, this meeting is gonna help. Oh, ile goal yetu ile cell bado tu iko ndani, ndio hii bado. We are still in that cell. So I don't know if I took a screenshot of this. Oh, I took it by the way. I took it. Tukiuliza Edipsi do you want to sell? And I guess this we might have missed a sell, but yeah, we haven't missed it. But that sell today we're looking to sell Geo, but today so though I have a very nice. This is just no. Let me get rid of this. This is just fib saying that. That's what fib is saying. But we have a demand, a supply zone. We have a supply zone up here. We have a supply kwa sababu pia we have news. It's not like the market ain't moving. Tumetumianga fibs yenye market imekataa kumove and stuff like that. We can't see a zone, and since I can see a zone, so let me get rid of this shenanigan. This retracement I believe ni juu kuna watu wanatumia fib solely ama ni solely as they are trading confluence and strategy. So this is what I'm expecting. Oh, sorry, forgive me for that. This is what I want to see on you. I feel like a drunkard. Don't ask me how drunkards feel. The last time I was drunk, I was in Form 3, I guess. You can see this move. I was a baby. Ilikuwa peer pressure, but me, I wasn't being peer pressured. I was actually the one. Mungu anisamehe, because I know of people who are drunkard up to now, and mimi niliwasaidia. And right now, I don't even drink. Totally. I don't. And I can't. I can't take any strong drink. Strong in terms of alcoholic. US dollar, UJ ina change iko 45 and 55, so whatever you do with this information is up to you. Is really up to you. Higher disclaimer: blue white arrow means from Fibonacci zone. Euro USD, Euro USD. It's also behaving like UJ. Looking for buys, though the buys are already rushing. Price came. We are targeting these highs huku juu. If you get an entry, go to lower time frame, look for an entry. Now that's it. At least we have all setups. They're gonna be in the setup channel. We've been here for the last 1 hour, 42 minutes. Let me end the live stream first.